Greetings. In this video, I want to show you what to do if you cannot find the network in your home or your office that you're looking for. With the Wi-Fi here, we press it right now. I'm looking through the networks, and number one, I can't find my network. Or if I find my network, it's so weak that it keeps disconnecting. So this happens like if you're away from the server. Let's say you're downstairs or completely away from the actual router itself where you're getting the internet coming into the home or to the building. This will happen a lot of times. So in order to remedy this, what you're going to do is you're going to connect a Wi-Fi extender to your router. And as you can see here, I got an extender here and actually have an Ethernet cord connected to the extender going directly to my computer. And as you can see there, I'm hard connected through an Ethernet, and I'm not on a Wi-Fi network because this is just too cumbersome. I'm getting flawless connection, and the one that I'm using now is called Plume. This is actually Plume SuperPod Wi-Fi 6, but you don't have to get the Plume. You can get Xfinity has one. You got one with Google Nest has one, but you have to make sure if you're doing the Ethernet, yes, you can do it without the Ethernet cord, and that will help. An extender will help you get Wi-Fi because it works as an antenna. But as you can see here, I got Ethernet, and that works even better. That's called mesh technology. That's M as a Mike, ESH, mesh technology. That's what you want. This particular one from Amazon is called Eero, Amazon Eero, which is a real good one to do. And they are kind of expensive, but they're very worth it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to where the internet server is, or to where the router is rather, and I want to show you how it works. Okay, so we're in the back room where my internet router is. As you can see here, it's coming in from outside, and you recognize that little silver thing right there. That's actually the extender that's actually making a connection. So what's happening is the internet is going through Ethernet directly to the pod here, to the Wi-Fi extender, and that's communicating to the one in my kitchen. So the only thing you have to do is just connect it by the Ethernet here. Right here, an Ethernet cord is going directly right here. And I'll pull this out, and as you can see there, it's connected right there. And this is communicating with my Ethernet extender in the kitchen, but I'm adding double connection power by connecting it in the kitchen with the Ethernet cord instead of just using Wi-Fi. All right, I hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know, and make sure you subscribe.